Children, in Social Studies of Standard 4, we will do lesson number 17, Live in Harmony. Live in harmony means living together peacefully without fighting with each other and also without destroying the nature. The key concept of the lesson is attacks on the environment, types of pollution, causes of pollution. In this chapter, we will learn how our environment is getting damaged, what are the types of pollution and what are its causes. First topic is pollution. Pollution is the process by which humans make their surroundings dirty by adding harmful chemicals, substances to soil, water, air and land. We will discuss one by one in detail. First, we will see water pollution, how water is being polluted. Water pollution occurs when water bodies are contaminated. Contaminated means mixed with harmful chemicals and other substances. So how is water pollution caused? It is caused when water bodies are mixed with harmful chemicals and substances. Oil spills are also a major reason for the water pollution. Often oil tankers are the ships which carry oil, leak oil while they are transporting it. So when the oil tankers carry the oil, there is leakage in the oil which harms the water, which pollutes the water. Water also gets polluted when people wash their clothes and utensils in ponds, lakes and rivers. Natural factors such as storms also pollute the water by mixing soil and dust particles with the water. Water pollution can lead to several diseases such as dysentery, typhoid, jaundice, gastroenteritis and cholera. These are the diseases which are caused due to water pollution. It can also endanger marine plants and animals. It is also harmful for marine plants and animals. Marine plants and animals means the plants or the animals which are found in water bodies. Once polluted, water cannot be used for purposes like cooking and drinking. The polluted water cannot be used for cooking and drinking. Next, we'll see land pollution, how the land is being polluted. The Green Revolution helped India to become self-sufficient and prosperous by growing surplus crops. So the Green Revolution which took place in India, it helped India to become self-sufficient by growing surplus. Surplus means large quantity of crops. There was a time when we had to buy food grains from other countries, but today we are exporting them. We are exporting such goods. This has been made possible because of modern methods of farming. Now modern methods of farming are being introduced which had made the export of food grains to other countries possible. Pest control as well as use of high yielding seeds. However, in some villages in India, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides. Excessive means much use of fertilizers and pesticides has affected the land and also harmed the farmers and their families. Excess use of pesticides contaminates the water and soil. Moreover, the farmers are illiterate, so they do not understand the importance of the precautions to be taken while spraying pesticides. This severely damages the fertility of the land. This damages the land. Land pollution is also caused by garbage and industrial waste which is thrown out on the land. Improper garbage disposal in cities leads to a lot of land pollution. Excessive usage of garbage bags or plastic bags is choking the land, is blocking the land, thus making it dirty. These are non-biodegradable and take thousands of years to degrade. So these plastic bags are non-biodegradable. They cannot get decomposed by itself easily. It takes thousands of years to degrade. This pollutes the land.